everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've got a happy mail today and a diamond painting, which is also a happy mail. So we'll have a look and see what we got. I'll put the diamond painting away till last and we'll have a look at that in a second, but let's have a look at this. This is from the lovely Charlotte, and she is Charlotte's Diamond Addiction on YouTube. And yeah, she did promise me that she's not a mad axe murderer. Yeah, in fact, she solemnly promised me that she's not a mad axe murderer or anything. Yeah, so I did give her my address. I don't have a post office box, unfortunately. Yeah, no, to be honest, it'd be too far to go to it. It's right the far side of the city, so no. So yeah, it is just my little address. Anyways, let's just see. I have had a sneaky peek of this and I did have a really good laugh, so I hope you find it as funny as I did. Okay, so we've got two little things and a letter, and the letter just says, a couple of small gifts for you. The key ring I saw and thought of you, and the stickers are for your diamond painting cases. She says, still putting them the wrong way up, so you don't open them the wrong way again. It's okay, I do it all the time as well. And many thanks for the fab videos you make. You keep me entertained whilst diamond painting. So thank you, Charlotte. That's really kind of you. And she's a Yorkshire lass living in Wales, so she did used to live in Hull, I believe. I think she's somebody that I may have known or may have passed in a former time. So yeah, so hello to Wales. And yeah, what are you doing over there? Come back this way. I need somebody to diamond paint with. Okay, now I've got all you lovely people, haven't I, out there? So yeah. So yeah, so that's Charlotte's Diamond Addiction on YouTube. Yay! And she did give permission for me to give out her channel as well. I'm not just saying, oh yeah, this person here. Right, yeah, so if you remember quite a few videos back, I got one of these little cases, and there's a right way and a wrong way to open them. And if you're clever and watch what you're doing, then there's a big bit at the bottom of the zip and a little bit at the top. And what did I do? I turned it upside down and opened it that way. I'm not going to do it again. I've learned my lesson, and all the bottles dropped out. So you have to open it with the small bit at the top. So all the bottles stay in place. Yay! And the lovely Charlotte has sent me some labels. She did say, I'm going to send you some labels, and she actually has. So these are this way up stickers. So I will put one on this one already, so that I know when I pick this up, and if I remember to read correctly, that this needs to be this way up. This needs to be on the top, so I won't be opening it this way because the sticker's not there. I've got to listen to myself now, get this into my brain. But that's a brilliant idea, and it just made me laugh so much when I opened it and saw them. So, and I've got plenty to go at as well. I don't think I've got quite as many containers as this, but I'm sure they'll come in handy. I'm working on it. Not quite as many as Claire from Claire's Diamond Paint. She has hundreds of containers. She kits up all the time. I don't know where she gets all these containers from, but yeah, she maybe send her some of these as well. So yeah, yeah, pop along to Claire as well. Shout out day today. Okay, and then the other little item that Charlotte sent me is this, and it's in a gorgeous little organza bag. And look at that, it's a little Millie Mo. It says, heart my dog, and it's a little Scotty dog charm. How cute is that? Oh, look at that, it's a little Millie Mo. Yay, and it's got her haircut. Look, it hasn't got the long skirt on it. It's just like our Millie. Only that one's nice and clean and shiny, and Millie is quite muddy at the moment. We're still gardening. So yeah, so thank you, Charlotte. That's gorgeous. That'll go on my notice board with all my collection of key rings. And yeah, then I can look at it while I'm doing my videos, and I come in here and do organising and bits and pieces, and I just sit and look at them, and I can think, oh yes, One person sent me that, and then a friend sent me that, and Charlotte sent me this one, and somebody else sent me that one. So yeah, I really do appreciate that. It's absolutely gorgeous. So thank you very much. So Happy Mail. Pop that over there. And then let's have a look at this diamond painting. So I have actually bought this one before, but it was in a square, and it was a double-sided tape. And I did like it so much, and somebody else said they really liked it. So what I'm going to do is do the two, and then whichever one's the best one, I will give to the person that mentioned it and liked it, and I'll keep the other one. Because I'm good like that. I would never give... I wouldn't keep the best one for myself, no. I'll give the best one to the person who asked. I'm not going to say he or she or whatever. But yeah, so we've got our drills there, our round drills, basic toolkit, pen, board and wax. And this one came from the DCIDBEI store. We've had a few from them on Amazon, and it was a Vipon coupon reduced from £9.99 to £4.99. So yeah, that's the Vipon app, VIPON, not affiliated in any way, but you do get some really good bargains on there. So I think this is possibly a sort of a £5-ish painting if you ordered off one of the other sites, but I just thought, oh, it was cute. This one is only 18 colours, and oh look, normally the DC, is it DCIDBEI? Maybe, could be, that's what it looks like. Don't have DMC codes, but this one has. So whether this is something they've now started doing, I hope so. Then yeah, but look, it's that pretty little bunny with all the flowers in her hair. These are poppies, aren't they? That's a poppy because they're poppy leaves. Yeah, and she's blushing, look. Somebody must have told her she looks really pretty, and she's shy and she's blushed. Oh, but yeah, I've got this one in square, so I will be doing two. Another two. Oh my goodness. I may do a square versus round comparison, or I may just, what I'll probably do is just show you them, because I think the square one is actually a full size 30 by 40, whereas this one will probably be a 25 by 35. So it's a nice soft canvas actually, and it's flattened down very, very quickly. Very good. Okay, so we've got our little thumbnail at the top, but I think you can see how pretty she is with that little nose. And where is my tape measure from the lovely Chris that sent me this one? Oh yes, and remember I lost my tape measure and I couldn't find it, and I'd looked absolutely everywhere. Well, yeah, I found it now, so brilliant. And guess where it was? It was in my handbag. Yeah, I forgot I'd taken it out with me, because we were measuring up just little things, you know, like little units and things that I didn't need a really big tape measure for. And obviously these are quite handy because they just roll back up rather than getting taffled in everything, and every time you take your purse out your bag, a great big snake of a tape measure comes out as well. So yeah, I'd put it and I'd forgotten. So that shows how often I clean my handbag out. I found my tape measure. So actually this one will go back in my handbag now. This one will probably go downstairs, and I'll keep Chris's one upstairs. So yeah, I'm really, really pleased. I hate it when you lose something. I was convinced I must have knocked it off my desk into my bin, and I've emptied my bin without realising. But yeah, I found it, so saves me right. Have to clean my handbag out a little bit more, won't I? But at least I've got it, yay. Can never have too many tape measures because I keep losing them. Right, so yeah, oh, this one is a 24 centimetre that way by, let me have a look, 34 centimetres that way. So we're actually losing 6 centimetres for the border around the edge, so that's fine. You know, the person that I'm going to do it for, they will either decide whether they want the bigger one or the small one. I might let them choose rather than say, no, I'll let them have the best one. I'll let them choose. and then we'll see how we go. There's no training circles on this, which is wonderful, your little guide circles. So it is just a case of making sure that when you put your diamond on, you get it right over that A, otherwise you get the little black marks showing through, so that's good. But it looks a pretty clear drill field to me. Oh, look at that face. Oh, couldn't you just pick it up and give it a cuddle? I love bunnies. And yeah, that's your 18 colours, all nice big capital letters there with the DMC codes, which is excellent news. I like having DMC codes. So let's just have a quick look at these drills and see what we've got. Twinkle, twinkle. Here we go. Oh, look at that green. That is super green. Ah, we've got a hot pink as well. Oh, two of my favourite colours. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. And we've got the purpley pink one there as well. Yay, look at those colours together. Oh, I'd love to wear something that had those colours in it together. I think you'd have to have a palish background maybe and have like flowers and leaves in those colours. Very striking, very pretty. Anyway, let's have a look at these drills. Okay, so we've got a winey colour and a mauvey lilac-y colour and some sort of beigey browny colours. Ah, a beautiful pink. And a sort of muted green and that beautiful green there. And look at the pink, look at the pink, hot pink, hot pink. And a brown. A very subtle pink, shall we say. Oh, we've got a lot of pinks. These must be the flowers. Is this the background then? What is number 10? No, number 10 is C. Also, oh, look. Oh, it's muddled in. Oh, the edges around the bunny. I see. And in her ears. And all around a little muzzle there. Oh, cute. And then we've got that like off browny winey colour. More pink. A very pinky purple. And a couple more shades of brown. And then, yeah, that's going to be a background colour. That one is 18, which is 3865. So we have 3 bags of those. So I quite like these pictures because, as I mentioned before when I've had these, I just literally do all of the edge. I will sit and I will just do all of the ears first, and then I can do the nice bit in the middle. And I do single place still as well. I have had another go at multi-placing. I think it's going to take practice, but I tend to find that I'm not very good at placing them all at once. So I do find that I am better just single placing. I seem to get them straighter and better single placing. But maybe that's just me. But I'll maybe have a go and do some of it multi-placed and some of it single placed and see if it makes a difference. Okay, well, I was just thinking, what's that noise? I can hear a noise. And then of course it's me with the drills. Oh no. There was something in the room and I was thinking, keep filming, Liz, keep filming, don't let it get you. And it's the drills. If you listen, you can hear them. It's a little bit like something sniffing or slithering about, isn't it? Please say yes. Don't let me be nutty on my own. Okay, so that's my little haul for today, my little happy mail. So we've got a beautiful little keyring with a Scottish dog. In fact, actually, I might put this one as a bag charm for now. Yeah, I think I probably will. I'll swap it out with one of my bag charms. That's the other thing. I have all my key rings on my notice board, and then as I get new ones, or as I found one that has been on my bag for a while, I just swap it out with a different one. So yeah, oh, that's gorgeous. So that's my little, oh, don't want to lay flat, just like Millie won't do as it's told. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me, and those stickers are brilliant. Oh dear, this way up. Yeah, at least somebody's trying to sort me out. Okay, well, if you have enjoyed this video, a thumbs up is always much appreciated. And if you want to come back and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button and and the all notifications bell next to it. You'll be notified when any of my videos come up. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.